Today we are going to discuss about fundamental analysis and technical analysis, the significance towards stock market, and especially when it comes into investment analysis. These two methods are vital for further investment decisions. Fundamental analysis is having its own merits and demerits. Technical analysis is also having its own merits and demerits. And when it comes into the fundamental analysis is also known as a basic analysis to determine the worth of the company for investment, for making investment decisions. There are several sub methods are for determining the worth of the company. The first one is the book value of a company. The book value of the company is having a certain value for having the total worth of a company. And the second one is P ratios. The P ratios is known as price earning ratio, and it is one of the method to determine the thing of price and earning scenario of the firm. The third one is income statement. Income statement is also known as to know the gross profit value and net income value of the firm. This is important to determine the profit and loss account for the firm in a specific period of time. And another one is the balance sheet. Balance sheet is known as position statement. In position statement, the firm position can be estimated by comparing with the total liabilities and also total assets. And there are so many methods like ratio analysis. We can use some other basic tools we can use to determine the value of the firm. And another one is technical analysis. When it comes into technical analysis, charts, candlesticks, line, bar charts, mountain, other softwares we can use for determining the present value of the stock movement, and also we make the investment or trading decisions by seeing the chart position. Technical analysis is very important tool in the stock market to determine and estimate the future value of the price of the company. And we are having so many methods to estimate. All we can use for technical chart for confirmation of buying the specific stocks in a particular period of time. And most of the traders use for technical analysis for the investment purpose. And another one is candlesticks, where we can use for to know the sentiment and psychology of the traders and investors in a particular period of time. And we are having around we are having a 13 to 15 candlestick symbols to estimate the price movement. And another one is line and bar chart and mountain, where we can also use for the technical. Another one is other software tools also we can use. So these are the tools where we can use to know the present situation and also to make the future investment decisions, and also to set the specific time frame for doing the trading and investment concern. And thank you for watching, and please do subscribe our channel.